Hello people, this is Cubes Can Fly, and it's like 12:05, and I thought I'd make a video, quick tutorial on how to make like your 4x4 like a 2x2, or how to use your 4x4 like a 2x2, and it's pretty simple. If you just look at a basic 4x4, this would be an Ishin brand. It's 4x4, and if you divide it or whatever, you can see there's 4 blocks of 4, and those 4 blocks can turn just like normal. They just turn like, yeah. So if you do this to each side, you could scramble it up just like a 2x2. Yes, and it's super simple, and if you, instead of like ruining a 4x4, if you don't have a 2x2, you could just simply use it or whatever. So it's pretty scrambled. All you gotta do is solve it like your regular 2x2. I'm gonna solve it nice and slow so y'all can see it. How about some music? Excuse me a second. So yeah, it's very simple, and yeah, you don't even need a 2x2 if you have 4x4. It helps to have one, but yeah. And again, my method takes a little longer because I made it up, but I'm gonna make tutorials on how to do cubes and stuff. So just tune in. See you guys.